All right, guys, coming at you from the dungeon for Monday, December, what are we at here? 7th. Um, we're going to fire this up with a 4-minute warm up. The warm up is going to be 8 lateral lunges first. Step in wide, drop down in, stand up, go to the other side. Once you hit 8 of those, so 4 each way, you're going to go into 8 push ups, get on the ground. We'll look for that nice tight plank position, dropping all the way down to your chest, and then pushing back to full extension. Keep your hips in line with your body, even if you drop to the knees. After 8 of those, you'll go 8 air squats, so up to your feet, working that full depth. Again, like we talk about regularly, work that depth, work those heels on the ground. Make sure if you need to hold on to something, you do. And then 10 butt kickers, running in place, kicking those heels up. Repeat that for 4 minutes and then go into mobility. You're going to do a minute on each of these, starting with a couch stretch. That couch stretch, you're going to kick that foot up on a chair, a couch, a bench, a box, whatever. Sit up tall so your chest is nice and tall, opening that hip up as wide as you can, and just squeeze the butt for a little accessory to that. After each side, you're going to drop to the floor and go into pigeon. Now, we've talked about this before too. That heel can be closer back to your hip, or you could bring it up closer to your hand. More of a 90 degree with that leg, but it's all in what's comfortable for the knee. After a minute each side there, we've got accessory work of the strict handstand push-up program. Today is 4, 3, 2, 1. So whatever you've been doing, rock that out with those repetitions for today. 4, take a break. 3, take a break. 2, take a break, and then a single. After that, you've got the booty moves coming at you again. 4 rounds of this list, not for time, just looking for quality movement here. First movement, 15 sumo deadlifts. This is weighted, so you're going to find anything you can get your hands on. Dumbbell, backpack, gallon of water, whatever. Doesn't matter. 5-gallon pail. You're going to hinge at the hip, just like we would for a deadlift. Slight bend in the knee as you come down towards the floor. If your object is really small, you can stay off the floor, but if you can turn it like Brandy did with the dumbbell, go ahead and touch the floor as well. After 15 of those, you're going to go into 16 reverse lunges. Those are not weighted, so ditch the weight. You're going to stand tall, keep that torso nice and tall, step down and back and touch that knee, switch to the other side, alternating as you go. After 16 total, you're going to go into 20 glute bridges. So we're going to lay down. You're going to tuck those heels up by the butt. Squeeze, lifting the butt and hips into the air. And once you get to the top, you want to hold there for just a second. Really feel that butt start to burn. After 20 repetitions there, you're going to go into 20 reverse flutter kicks. As of right now, it says lying, but we'll try to get that changed. What we mean here is lay on your stomach. And then we're just looking to do those flutters, but basically in reverse. So you're lifting those knees up off the ground, you're flexing those quads and squeezing your butt, trying to kick up and down. After 20 of those, you'll take a break if you need, but then repeat, get 4 rounds total. Then you're going to hit the workout. The workout is a 20-minute AMRAP, and we are going to start that off with 12 thrusters of any odd object. If you don't have any weights you can use, you can do squat jumps for this. Squat down and jump off the ground. But if you can do anything, even if it's single-sided, that's cool. 12 repetitions for the thruster. Then you're going into 12 push-ups. Off the toes if you can. Nice tight plank. Down to the floor. Press all the way to extension. Knees if you need to modify. And then after the push-ups, we're going into 12 sumo deadlift high pulls. Now, if you've got that odd object, again, this will work for that as well. We're going to take that wide sumo stance. You're going to drop down in like a sumo deadlift and then pull up to the collarbones, keeping those elbows outside. And then repeat. 20 minutes of that, as many rounds and reps as you can accumulate. Hit us up with any questions you have. Have fun with this one, guys. See ya.